Hey everyone, how's it going? I'm Steph. Welcome back to the Secret Slob channel, where we are working through our whole houses this month, decluttering every single space and nook and cranny. If you haven't been following along, every day of this challenge we're tackling a different space, and every single day I'm giving you a chance to win a $100 gift card to a local store in your area. You're gonna tell me the store. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and comment below for a chance to win, and also just to let me know how your progress is going with the challenge. So today we're doing closets. And when I say closets, I mean I want you to choose a closet in your house that's gotten a little out of control. If you're feeling super motivated, you could do all the closets. I'm gonna do this front closet. I've already done the coats, but the top and the bottom are out of control. It's one of those closets like on Friends when Monica had the closet and everything fell out. That's this. Every time we go to close this, we have to like kick things to push them back in. It's a nightmare. It drives us crazy. And yeah, it's just so frustrating. So today I'm gonna be going through this closet, getting it organized, getting rid of stuff I don't need at all. It can go live another life somewhere else happily, and just making it so the space is way more usable for us. I hope you get motivated, tackle a closet or two or three or all of them in your house. Remember, every little bit counts. Even 5 minutes can make a huge difference when you add it up over time. It's like medicines and I don't know and I don't know, and this is light bulbs. And the bottom is like this. It's all bags for the grocery store. I don't know. That's not the best way to be storing these, I'm sure. Oh my gosh. This is a box of who knows what. Ah! I've been looking for this. Another find. This is the extra tent peg for my kids' tent in the basement, and I thought it was lost forever. This is the best part of doing this challenge, is finding things. Okay, yay. All right, so there's this giant bag of light bulbs and then 2 bags of light bulbs. And we kind of need them now, but we're doing a reno on the house, and so we're not gonna need them for long. I'm wondering if it's just easier to keep them in here. Like, this can't be the best place to keep this. All right, I'm gonna put them back up there for now, but on the other side, and then I'm gonna see what I can do. Okay, then there's a couple hats, which is a totally normal thing to keep in a closet, so let's keep those there. What I've determined this is a box of all the different manuals for like all of our lawn equipment and stuff that came with the house. So I think we need these things, but this is like, no way is this the best way to store these. I'm gonna get a proper little bin and I'm gonna put them in the office. That's not a good spot for them. And this closet is even going to exist when we do our reno. Okay, so we went through the bin. This whole bag is full of manuals for our appliances. There's no warranties anymore, like they're kind of old and we're gonna be replacing them right away. So I'm gonna throw these away. I would throw these away even if we were gonna keep the appliances, just because all of these manuals are online, every single one. If you don't wanna keep these, you can just put into Google your model number of your appliance and they're all on the internet. There's also some random garbage and license plate for our trailer. So that'll be good to know where that is when we want to start camping. Now everything is here in this bin, and it's flat, and it's like the ones I have in my office, so I can put this stuff in there, and it doesn't need to be up here. That's just not the best place for that. So I'm gonna put it with all of our filing stuff, and that's just a better place for those things, and so I was able to get rid of some of that. Moving on to the bottom part. So the majority of the stuff under there is these reusable bags. And I know this is something I've been hanging on to because I'm like, you never know when you'll need one. But is it really you never know when you'll need one, or you never know when you'll need 50? I'm sure I don't need all of these. Okay, these are my favorite ones. They're huge. These are the ones I use for grocery shopping. I'm gonna put this out in my car. I've seen people do this before. It makes so much sense instead of keeping them in your house, because where are you gonna need it? In your car. And I hate getting to the grocery store and realizing I've forgotten them. I just have so many. So these are kind of my user bags, like picnic and lunch kit bags. And then I've got my grocery bags I'm gonna put out in the car. These are just some extra ones, and then they've got little, well, I guess I should put my produce bags in with the big bags. Those in there. Put that in there. This is a beach bag, and these are Halloween bags. So these are gonna go with Halloween stuff, because why have them here all year? I'm only using them once a year. Oh, it's pretzels. I thought it was gonna be candy. Okay, so I'm gonna put these away, and the rest of these I'm gonna donate to the thrift store. They always need reusable bags because that's how they send you home with all your stuff. So if you want to use these right away, I mean, you've probably been using them all month, and just know the thrift store appreciates getting these reusable bags. So there is the bottom of my closet. So much better. Okay, so that's one closet down. If you have motivation and you want to get off to the rest of them, hey, I'm not going to stop you. You could do one every single day, or if you want to do them all in one big day, get it done. It's just nice to check off one more space, get rid of some of those things that don't belong there, really get rid of some of those things you just don't need anymore, and have a better idea of what you have in your house. Thank you so much for following along with this challenge. I'm having so much fun. My house is looking so much better. And don't forget to subscribe and leave your comment for a chance to win a $100 gift card to a store of your choice. Okay, that's it for me today. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.